Orange peels are often discarded, but they offer numerous benefits that many people overlook. Here are 8 of their advantages. 1. Rich in nutrients, orange peels contain high amounts of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can boost your immune system and improve skin health. 2. Promotes digestive health. The fiber in orange peels helps regulate bowel movements, promoting a healthy digestive system and potentially alleviating constipation. 3. Supports heart health. Flavonoids in orange peels, such as hesperidin, have been linked to reducing cholesterol levels and improving heart health. 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Orange peels contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. 5. Improves skin health. The natural oils and antioxidants in orange peels can improve skin texture and reduce acne when used in topical treatments or masks. 6. Natural cleaner. Orange peels have antimicrobial properties and can be used as an effective, eco-friendly cleaner for household surfaces. 7. Freshens breath. Chewing on a small piece of orange peel can help freshen your breath due to its antimicrobial properties. 8. Repels insects. The limonene in orange peels is a natural insect repellent, helping to keep pests like mosquitoes and ants at bay when dried peels are placed around your home. These overlooked benefits show that orange peels are far more valuable than just waste.